Have you ever wondered how the food on your plate tells a story about who you are? From ancient times, women were the caretakers of the household, responsible for feeding the family, while men hunted and farmed. These roles solidified during the agricultural revolution. Even today, women bear the brunt of domestic food responsibilities, spending an average of 1.5 hours more per day on food-related tasks than men, regardless of employment status. Curiously, while domestic cooking is seen as women's work, the professional culinary world is dominated by men, with male chefs often receiving more acclaim and visibility. Food choices are deeply gendered. Men are socialized to favor hearty, masculine foods like steak and burgers, symbolizing strength and power. Conversely, women are pressured to eat clean or follow restrictive diets, with food choices framed as moral decisions tied to physical appearance and societal expectations. The good news? Gender roles in food are slowly evolving. More men are embracing cooking as a creative outlet, and women are making inroads into professional kitchens. Social media and the foodie movement have democratized cooking, allowing individuals of all genders to share their culinary creations and redefine who belongs in the kitchen. It's crucial to note that gendered food roles intersect with class and race, with economic limitations intensifying traditional expectations in marginalized communities. By critically analyzing and challenging traditional food-related gender roles, we can create a more equitable space where everyone can enjoy, share, and engage with food on their own terms. Let's redefine the way we think about food and gender.